Alright, this is Brilliant Smiles. This is what we need done. We have 3 that are graded. This one, the internal opening, basically the width of the grate is 111 3/4 by 35 1/4. This just needs the grate replaced, a new one basically. Okay, same with this one, just needs the grate replaced. This grate is 60 1/2 by, let's call it 35 3/4. This grate is 35 3/4 by 60 1/2. All right, now, dang it. This lip, basically it's welded here and then back here. It's boom, boom. If you lift the grate, you'll see that there's basically a lip that the grate sits in. These 3, it was poured in. These 3, it was not. These 3 need to be like that, though. So, the internal opening on these is 43. Dang it. And that is, I would call that 60 3/4. The next one, none of these are the same. The next one, dang it, is, it's like 42 1/2 by 61 1/4. $42 1/2 by 53 1/2. So stepping away, basically, we have 1, 2, 3 without grates, and then 3 with grates. We want them all to look like this. The only difference is these ones are recessed, the other ones will sit on top of the cement.